Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to gift a membership on Audible. And if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let's get into it. I'm on Google Chrome, I've accessed Audible, I've logged into my account. Now what you want to do is go over to this section. It says hi, then your first name. And from there, go down to Gift Center and scroll down until you find this section that says Gift a Membership. They'll get access to a monthly credit to use for any bestseller or new release, and access to thousands of included titles. And you've got 4 different options right here. It actually gives you the 12 months for $69.99 option. This is 12 credits plus Audible Plus. And then it's the cheapest option is 1 month for $7.99. And that's 1 credit with Audible Plus. And then you press gift 1 credit, and then it brings you to this page right here. And what you have to do is basically you can either email it or print it out. You have to type in the recipient's email address, their name, your name, the delivery date. You can even write a note like happy birthday. And then from there, once you're ready, press the orange continue button, follow the steps, and you can actually gift a membership to someone on Audible. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks very much.